Are you looking for a way to add some mystery to your messages? In this video, I'll show you how to use invisible ink on iMessage on your iPhone. After watching this video, you'll know how to use invisible ink to hide the message before it's read and surprise your friends with mysterious text messages. So if you want to make communication more fun and exciting, watch this video until the very end. To get started, open up the Messages app and then select the person to whom you want to send messages. So now what you want to do next is type in the message that you would like to send. After that, tap and hold the arrow pointing up button. And now you'll get a couple of different options. So from these options, simply select Invisible Ink. And it will show you a little preview of how it's going to look like with the effect. So go ahead and tap on the upward pointing arrow to send it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.